Hey guys, RUGA here. So today I bought this thermometer, digital thermometer. So I want to test the aircon performance, and this is the digital thermometer that I show you. So I link in description for the your purpose, and you can buy this in Shopee. Okay, now we're gonna test the evaporator test. So guys, stay tuned and we're gonna test. So today we want to go to the evaporator test. Okay. We want to do performance test. Insert. Okay. Degree. Okay. It is below the degree Celsius. So normally when the normal aircon test, performance test, we need to roll down 4 windows and open the door. Because it is night, I cannot open the door. So we raise about 2500 RPM. Okay, accurate the 3000. And we want to check the digital thermometer. It is below than the 7 to 11 degrees. Already 5.1, 4.7. Sorry, I full blast. I'm not full blast ready. So this is the full blast. Okay, now the performance test is running. 4.7, 4.4, 4.1. Okay, I already 3500 RPM ready. Okay, now this 3.6. Okay. Okay.
A few minutes later.
Okay, we will maximum the recording is the 2.6. Okay, 2.6 already. Okay, this is the actual Celsius. So this night, doors and windows remain closed. We done it for now. Tomorrow morning we will try to test the temperature by rolling down the windows. Hope morning I will meet you.
The next morning.
Good morning guys. So we wanna test the temperature test again, and okay, let's start guys. Roll down the windows. 4 windows is rolled down. Okay, for the temperature. Okay, now the temperature is 24.1 degrees, 24.4.
A few minutes later.
Temperature is 32.9. It's outside the surrounding. 32.9 degrees Celsius. So with this temperature, with this surrounding temperature, we want to test the evaporator test. It should be 7 degrees to 11 degrees. The best degree. Below the 7 degrees is also very good. Okay. Shall we start the test? Okay. Okay, see guys, I want to do the full blast and full maximum full temperature. There we go. I'm revving about 2500 RPM. Below 2500 to 3000. Okay, 3000 RPM. Stay with that. See the degree. by rolling down windows. Maximized temperature is 2.8 degrees Celsius. I think so. Okay, the clear picture is 2.8 degrees Celsius. Okay guys, so you can compare between both temperature with rolling down windows and without it. To find 2.8 degrees Celsius is freaking cold, and my hand is very cold already. So if you like this video, please like, please share, and please subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon for the notification, and also hope we will meet again in next video. Bye guys.